June County, and currently we are in Shanghai, and we are on the starch exhibition here. And our place it is at 71K78. And if you'd like to know more information about our equipment, for example, like this raspberry here, or if you need our centrifuge side or our like any equipment here. If you do have any questions, just directly put your question in the comments to let me know that you're interested about it. Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to the live. How are you doing? This is Oliver from June County, and currently we are in Shanghai starch exploration, starch exhibition here. If you do need anything about it, you can put your question in the comments. Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to the live. This is Oliver from June Company Dream Holdings. Currently we are in the Shanghai Starch Exhibition here, and for today we totally bring our three of the equipments here to show you guys about the details. And by the way, today our engineers it is still here to show you like every details. And right now you guys can see the first thing that I'd like to show you guys about it is our this raspberry here. Really high efficiency one. You guys can have let me show you about this inside, about the rotary drum here, and there are so many blades on the surface of it. It can totally rasp all the materials get into like the starch shape. And currently we are in Shanghai starch exhibition here, and there are so many viewers coming to here today. If you are here by chance and if you want to check about our equipment and check about our like every details, you can directly put your question what you want to know for our equipment so that I can show you more details about it. And we are Engineering company here. Yeah, no matter if you'd like to have the Gary business, Gary processing line, or tuber starch processing line, or cassava flour processing line, you can all leave your comments in the comment area to let me know that you're interested about it, so that I can definitely show you more details. And right now you guys can see there are so many of our clients coming to this exhibition today. Get the chance to know more. So, hi, good morning. Welcome to the live. This is Oliver from Dream Holdings, and we focus on the cassava, potato, sweet potato starch processing equipment manufacturing. And if you'd like to know more information, and if you do have any questions, welcome GK. Welcome to the live. If you do have any questions about the equipment here, you can directly put your question in the comment area. And especially for today, our engineers, it is also here. He can definitely show more details about our like the raspberry, like the centrifuge side, like the hydrocyclone equipment here. You can just directly put your question in the comment to directly let me know what you want to know for us. Welcome XJ, welcome TT, welcome everyone. Yeah, and currently this is our raspberry here, really high efficiency one. And inside of the equipment there is a rotary drum. The more input you have and the larger for the diameter for the rotary drum, so that there will be more blades on the surface. And according to your different input, we have different capacities. So you can directly let us know what is your like how many materials do you have and how many hours do you work for one day, or what is your budget, so that we can give you a customized design according to your detailed information. Currently you guys can see there are so many viewers. It is here to check about our equipment, about our like the raspberry, like the centrifuge side, like the hydrocyclone. It is really high efficiency, and especially for the every equipment that get in touch with the material, it is the food grade stainless steel blade, which no worry about its quality or no worry about like it will get rust. Check about it. This is our hydrocyclone here. Normally we will use 18 or 19 of those kind of equipments to manufacture to remove the impurities like the cells or some other really tiny impurities. And let's directly check about the 3D videos here. And if you are our old viewers, old followers, our previous followers, you will get very familiar with this video here. I'm sure about that. And especially for this hydrocyclone station. Hi, welcome to the live. Especially for this hydrocyclone station, it has less than 1,000. How to say? Cyclone here, two working at the same time. And let's check. And for driving, we have all equipments here. So if you do need anything about anything, like you can just directly put your car. We are in Shanghai exhibition here, the 70s starch exhibition here. About the starch equipment, you can directly put your cash. Single equipment, directly put your cash in the car. Actually, the viewer from YouTube, if you do have any questions, click from us so that we can give you a detailed introduction. No matter for cassava, potato, we all have the whole equipment in our factory. When I'm from is China, so if you want to know more information or if you want to have a visit, please contact with our sales. Hi EJ, welcome to the live. If you do have any questions about our equipment, no matter for like the centrifuge side or for our rasper or for our like the hydrocyclone station, directly leave something in the comment. Our assistant and our engineers can definitely show you more details. And for the material here, no worry about it will get rust. It is made of stainless steel, really high quality, and you can use this equipment above 2 years without any questions. And by the way, for our equipment, we do have 1 year warranty. What? 外部王者哪有外部王者？哪有外部王者？ Oh, this one. Okay. 它提醒我有外部王者。So weird. And this is our centrifuge side. And let's see about our raspberry here. Hi everyone, welcome to the live. You guys can check. Currently our sales manager is showing the detailed information for this hydrocyclone station. The hydrocyclone station. And normally it is, we will use 18s of this hydrocyclone or 19s. It is totally according to your basic information, because for every our provider plant they have different requirements for the final starch quality. That is why for the same processing line there are like the price it is totally different. Welcome Bruce Tai, welcome to the live. Currently, welcome to the live. Currently we are in Shanghai starch exhibition here to show you guys about our equipment. So for example, like our centrifuge side, like our rasper or like our hydrocyclone station. If you do need anything about the starch processing line, any equipment, you can directly leave something in the comments. No matter if you are the viewer from Alibaba or from YouTube, we can definitely share more information by our like assistants and check about the inside for this hydrocyclone station. There are so many of the centrifuge pipe. It is adopted inside of the hydrocyclone, and through the force of centrifuge, so it can remove about the cells and remove about other impurities. If you do have any questions, put your question in the comment, please put your question in the comment. Let me know what you want to know for us, and all the materials get into this equipment in the middle part, and the impurities will separate at the separate part. Welcome and welcome to the live. If you do have any questions, let me know what is your question, alright? Please put your question in the comment to let me know what you want to know from us. Welcome everyone. Currently we are in the 70th Shanghai Starship Exhibition here to show you our equipment. And our place it is in 71K 78. And if you in the exhibition right now, if you do want to have a visit, please directly leave something in the comment. It is so welcome for you guys to have a visit for our exhibition here. And for today, we bring 3 of our equipments in the starch processing line, especially the main equipments in the starch processing line. Currently, you guys can see this is our hydrocyclone station. Yeah, this is our hydrocyclone station. We only put 4 of the equipments to here today. Normally, we will use about 18th or 19th of the hydrocyclone to remove the cells and other tiny impurities. But if you do not have a high requirement for the final starch quality, you can also use 6 to 8 of this equipment to make it without any problems. And this is our hydrocyclone station to remove the cells inside of the starch and then improve the final quality for the starch. And this is our rasper. Inside of the rasper there is a really big rotary drum, and if you do have a larger output, the diameter for this rotary drum it is getting bigger, so there will be more blades on the surface of the rotary drum. And when it is working, it is in a really high-speed mode. Like in 1 minute, it can rotate for 2,000 times, which is a really large rotary speed. And before we do the rasp, under top of this equipment, we normally will set up a magnetic separator here to separate the magnetic items like the irons or some magnetic small things to protect our main equipment here. Let me show you about the rotary drum inside of here. You guys can see this is our rotary drum. There are so many of the blade on the surface of it, and the smallest input it is more than 200 blades on the surface. It can rasp all the materials in a really high efficient way. And currently we are in the international. Hi PG, welcome to the live. Currently we are in Shanghai International Starch Exhibition here, the 17th. For this exhibition, for the last 3 years it didn't open, but currently, I mean, the total international environment is getting better and better. So this exhibition is totally bad. If you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment to let me know that you're too interested, so that I can show more detailed information for you. And especially for today, our engineers team, it is here also. If you do have any questions, let me know. Welcome Herson, welcome to the live. We are Nanjing Holdings, and we focus on the cassava, potato and sweet potato starch processing equipment manufacturing. And for our equipments, for our company it is located in Henan province, China, and also for our factory. And we do have 2 factories in total. The total amount it is about 40,000 meters, a really big one. And in our factory there are more than 200 workers manufacturing all the equipment here. If you do need anything like any introduction for our processing line, hi Carlos, welcome to the live. How are you? How's your day going? Currently we are in Shanghai, the 70th International Starch Exhibition here, and our place it is at 71K 78. If you do need our introduction, especially for our engineers team or for our sales manager, you actually put something in the comment, let me know if you're interested about it. And let me show you the exhibition. There are so many people. It is here. Check about it. There are so many people. It is checking here. Yeah, and for today's live, we bring three of our processing equipment here, which are the main equipments here. Our rasper, our centrifuge side, and our hydrocycling station. If you do need our introduction, please type something in the comment. Let me know. All right. Yeah, let's check about our hydrocycling station. Yeah, and before the hydrocycling station, we do have one of the designer to remove about the fine sand because you know the different weight and for the impurities and for our starter it is totally different. So we do set several of the designer here to remove about the fine sand. And this is the inside for our hydrocycling station. Let's check about it. The inside for our hydrocycling station, there are so many of the hydrocycling pipe, it is a document.
Hello, welcome to the live stream of Henan Doing Company. Now we are in the Shanghai Starting Exhibition. 看，我也看不到名字，怎么叫人家？Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. What you can see now is the actual running factory of the cassava starch production plant. Hello my friend, how are you? Thank you for watching my live stream. Welcome. Now we are at the Shanghai Starch exhibition and what you are seeing now is the video for cassava starch, potato starch, and sweet potato starch plant. If you have any questions about our machines, leave your message and we will contact you soon. Hello Mela. Welcome. Hello Victor, how are you doing? Welcome to our live stream. Now we are introducing you the machines for cassava starch, sweet potato starch, and potato starch line. What you can see is the 3D video to show you the whole process of starch production. If you have any questions or you are interested about our machines, welcome to contact us anytime. You can leave your message here or you can send your questions. Hello, Mr. Ballon, welcome.
Hey, welcome back to the live. This is Oliver from Hananjing Holdings. And currently we are in the 17th Shanghai Starch International Exhibition here. And yeah, let me show you. There are so many viewers that is interested about our equipment. And let's have a check. If you do have any questions for the starch equipment structure, put your question in the comment. Let me know what you want to get from us, alright? Welcome, Makula. Hi Hi, how are you? We are Honan Green Holdings and we focus on the cassava, potato, and sweet potato starch processing equipment manufacturing. If you welcome Adama, welcome to the lobby. Currently, we are in the 70th Shanghai International Starch exhibition here. If you do need anything, or if you're interested about any of the equipment, you actually put your question in the comments. And especially for today, our engineers team is also here. They can definitely share more information about our starch processing line, especially for potato, sweet potato, and cassava starch processing line. If you do need anything, just put your question in the comment. Our engineers team is here. They can definitely show you more videos, more pictures, and only thing you need to do is to put your how we should contact you in the comment area, or you can just leave something in the comment. Our assistant will reach you really soon to show you about our 3D videos, pictures, and our feedbacks for profile starch processing line. And you guys can check about this. Welcome Ladaro, welcome to the live. We are the Honan Holdings focused on the cassava, potato, and sweet potato starch processing equipment manufacturing. If you need the starch production equipment here, leave something. Our company has more than 10 years experience in the starch business. If you do need, hi, welcome back, Adama. Hey, welcome back. Welcome to the live. If you do need our equipment, just leave something in the comment. Our assistant can definitely show more information. Welcome, Ashok. Hi, how are you? Welcome to the live. If you do need our the centrifuge side or our hydrocyclone station, it is all here. And our engineers team or me can show you every details about it. And currently, you guys can see this is the whole starch processing line from cleaning to processing, and for the drying we have the whole of the equipment here. If you need it, just type something. Hey, especially if you are from YouTube, currently we are in the 70th Shanghai International Starch Exhibition. And if you are here in the exhibition, our place it is at the 71K 78. And if you do need anything, just let me know that. Especially for the starch business, let me show you. There are so many people. It is in the exhibition for today. So many of the starch companies here. Welcome Anna Chang. Welcome to the live. Check it out. There are so many viewers in the exhibition here. And for today, we do bring our 3 of the equipments here to show you. One is our hydrocyclone station, and we do bring our rasper here, really high efficient rasper, and we do have the centrifuge side here. If you do want to know more details, let me know that. And right now you guys can see this is our companies, and we do for this one it is our company's information, and then we do have the tuber starch processing technology, the whole processing line for drying, for processing, and for the drying, cleaning, drying, processing. We all have the equipment here. I mean, for the tuber starch, usually includes about the washing, processing, and drying. 3 parts. We use fresh raw materials through washing, grinding, separating fibers, refining to get the pure starch, dewatering, then drying, we can get the dry starch. So for the whole processing line, we all have the equipment here, especially for cassavas, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. And currently our sales manager it is showing the every details for the viewers that is here. And it is a really automatic starch processing line, have a really high starch yield. It is more than 92%. It is total for especially for starch production processing line. It is PLC control, less manual working. It is really high efficient one. This is our company, and our company it is in Henan province of China. So that's our factory. We do have two factories in total. The final amount it is about 40,000 square meters. From project consulting and proposal designing, machine manufacturing, installation and commission, and after sales service, we have all of it. And if you do need anything, you can just let us know about your, like what kind of materials do you have, or how many hours you're working for one day. We can give you a special design, customized design for you, according to your needs, especially for your budget. Because for the whole processing line, if you'd like to get the whole processing line, the price it is certain, but according to the different requirements for the final starch quality, it is totally differs. For example, this hydrocyclone station, especially for this hydrocyclone station, like if you use 6 to 8 of this hydrocyclone station, you can get the high quality of starch. But if you do have really strong requirements, really high requirements for the final starch quality, you can just use about 18th or 19th equipment here to make sure the final starch quality it can meet the requirements for the national requirements. Our hydrocyclone station, and how about let's check the rasper here. This is our rasper. The efficiency is really good, more than 98%, to totally rasp all the raw materials. And how about let's check about its inside. The big rotary drum it is adopted, and there are so many of the blades it is on the surface. And the smallest input, if you have the smallest input, I mean there will also be more than 200 of the blade on the surface for the rasper here. And do not worry about the quality, it is all made of the stainless steel, so with long use it will not get rust. Really high efficiency one. For the processing equipment, we do have two of the equipment to achieve it. The first one is our cutting machine. There are so many of the knives. There are two kinds of the knives to be specific. One of these keep rotary knife, and destroy all the materials into small pieces, like from 3 centimeters to 5 centimeters, from 3 cm to 5 cm. And at the bottom there is a stable knife, it is adopted, and the material it is 4CR13 material. Can serve a longer service life. Very durable equipment for the cutting machine. And the next equipment. Hi Celine, welcome to the live. Currently we are in the 17th Shanghai International Starch exhibition here. There are so many of the viewers in this exhibition, and our exhibition it is in the 71K78. If you do need our starch processing equipment, no matter for the washing or for the processing or for the drying, we have all the equipment here. If you do need anything, just directly type something in the comment, let me know. And let's check about the 3D video for our Raspberry. This is how it is working. You can check this video about what kind of material it is adopted. And for this Raspberry, this is the electronic model here. Welcome Kinley. Welcome to the live. If you'd like to start your own starch or like potato starch, cassava starch, or sweet potato starch, we have all the equipments here. Hi James, welcome to the live. How are you doing? This is the sweet potato starch processing line. The grading rate it is above 98%. You can easily compare our equipment to other equipment in the market. It will turns out totally with totally different effect. I mean, let me show you the example for our Provice case. In 2017, there is a customer from another country, and due to they have the limit budget, so they choose about the hammer mill to destroy all the to grading all the materials. So for them, they have to use 5 or 6 tons of the material to obtain 1 ton of the starch. But for our Raspberry, you can easily to use 4 tons of materials to get 1 ton starch. Really high efficient. So if you'd like to, if you do have a lot of material to deal, like potato, sweet potato or cassavas, these equipments can really help you a lot. Welcome, Esken and UB. Welcome to the live. Thank you so much for your follow. Thank you so much. We are Hana Drink Holdings, and currently we are in the 17th Shanghai International Starch Exhibition here. If you do need anything for the starch equipment, please let me know that. Currently for this video you are checking right now, it is the potatoes starch processing line, and for the above equipment it is about the washing part, and for this equipment that is all for the washing part, and then we will to process all the raw material. This is our bucket elevator to do the transportation, and then there is a hopper to control the whole speed. And let me show you the information. Welcome Derek. Check about this one. This is our cutting machine. There are 2 kind of knives. One it is a rotary knives, and at the bottom there is the stable knife. And through this screw conveyor, all the materials will get into our Raspberry here. Right now you guys about to see it is our Raspberry. And this is our magnetic separator to separate all the magnetic items to protect our equipment. And this is our Raspberry. And for today's exhibition, we do have the Raspberry here. If you do need anything about the starch processing line, for the centrifuge side, for the Raspberry, or for the hydrocyclone station, you can easily to type something in the comments to let me know that. Let me know more information. Yeah, this is our centrifuge side to remove about the fine fibers, the fibers. And normally we will use 4 or 5 of the centrifuge side to remove the fibers, and it is connected to each other to totally control the waste of the fibers. Hi Brian, welcome to the live. And let me show you about the inside for our centrifuge side, because currently there are so many people have already checked the inside for the centrifuge side. And let me open it to show you the inside of it. Wait a second. Check about its inside. There are a really tiny mesh. It is adopted here. And the mesh size it is around 2 millimeters here. It can remove about the fibers in a really efficient way. If you do need our like the equipment, especially for the rasper, for our centrifuge side, or for the starch processing equipment, leave something in the comment. Our assistant can reach you really soon and show you more detailed information about the equipment here. Okay, I will send you. Yes, SHVG. You can just type something in the comment. Our system will reach to you really soon to show you more pictures and more 3D videos about how the machine is worked and what is the material and the feedback from our previous clients. And this one it is our centrifuge side to remove about the impurities. When the material get into this equipment, through the force of centrifuge and the weight, all the materials will like vibrating. Hi DZ, welcome to the live. How are you doing? Currently we are in the 70th Shanghai International Starch Exhibition. And for today we do bring 3 of our main equipments here. And the material it is food grade stainless steel. No worry about the service life. You can use it for a really long time. For our previous clients feedback, you can use it about 2 years without any problems. Welcome WO, welcome to the live. If you do need anything, please let me know what can I do for you, alright? Welcome RN, how are you? Welcome to the live. This is the inside for our centrifuge side. And the mesh, it is really tiny. Let me show you the inside. There is a really tiny mesh. It is adopted. Through the force of centrifuge, it can remove about the impurities like fibers in a really high efficient way. And you guys can see there are so many viewers. It is interested about our equipment. And if you'd like to know more information, have something, our assistant and our engineering team can definitely show you more feedback, 3D videos and pictures from our device clients. And for this exhibition, our place it is at 71K78. So if you do want to have a real visit, welcome, so welcome for you guys. Our company it is located in Henan Province, China. And our factory is located in Henan Province and China also. Welcome IE, welcome to the live. And right now you guys can see this is our sweet potato starch processing line. If you want to obtain the final starch that can meet the requirement for the national requirements, by using our equipment, you can totally achieve it. No matter you want to have the cassava flour processing line, if you want to produce the cassava flours or the tuber starch processing, you can all easily type something. Welcome Arthur. Welcome to the live. Currently we are in Shanghai, the 70th International Starch Exhibition. If you do need anything, let me know that. This is the auto packing machine. And if you do have any questions, please let me directly know what is your question. And yeah, let's check about what are they talking about. This is the whole starch production processing diagram, especially for cassava potato and sweet potatoes. For washing, for processing, and for drying, we have the whole equipment here. And the quality is really high. The relatively low price, I'm sure you will totally get satisfied with our equipment. For the pillar centrifuge, the temporary storage tank, the fine fiber side, the centrifuge side, the rasper, hydrocyclone, desander, cutting machine, paddle washing machine, dry side, belt conveyor, feeding hopper, we all have it. And if you do need my introduction, please type something in the comments. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the live. Currently, we are in the Shanghai 70th International Starch Exhibition here for starch production process diagram, especially for cassava, potato, and sweet potato things. We all have the equipment here. No matter for the washing part or for the processing part or for the drying part, we have the whole equipment here. If you'd like to know more details, more information, directly type something in the comments to directly let me know what interested you so that I can give you a better explanation for you. Alright, that is our starch production processing line. And how about let's check about the diameter hydrocyclone station here. 这个可以打开吗？可以打开。
我问，哎，你工作了吗？现在？你还没见过没有？
我也好一会儿没见。Our sales manager, it is generally showing the every detailed information about this hydrocyclone station, and there are so many of the. Check about our hydrocyclone station, and by the way, our equipment. If you do need anything for the starch processing line, directly put your question in the comments. We can give you the best explanation for you. And for this hydrocyclone station, it is widely used to refining the impurities inside of the starch. Yeah, check about this processing line again, please. And by the way, if you didn't follow our live stream right now, please give us a follow because our live will be ending. We are ending in 5 minutes. So if you didn't follow our live stream, give us a follow. Yeah, and right now let's check out the inside for this hydrocyclone station. Hi, yes, Yanni, welcome to the live. And right now let's check the inside for this hydrocyclone station. There are multiply of the hydrocyclone pipe. It is inside of it. You can remove and refining about the starch in a really high efficient way. And for today's live, we do bring 4 of the hydrocyclone station here. But normally, if you want to have the high quality of the starch, you have to use like from 18th to 19th of the hydrocyclone station. And right now, if you do need anything for the starch processing line for any of the single equipments here, just put your question in the comment. Let me know what can I do for you. And let's check about the inside for this hydrocyclone station. And oh. 我感觉也是，这边有3个的关键卸下来一个。你工已经走了吗？没走。今天怎么没走吗？你这边没装电话。Alright, if you didn't subscribe our channel or for our shop, you can directly give us a follow. Our live will ending really soon, so right now please give us a follow for our live stream. And in this afternoon, which will like 4 hours later, we will have another live stream. 4 hours later, we will have another live stream. So if you do need anything, type something in the comment. Let me know that. Yeah, let's have a walking around for the starch exhibition here. There are so many of the starch production company. It is in the exhibition. Hydrocyclone. Alright, if there's no further question, our live will ending really soon. Our live will ending really soon. So please let me know if you have any question for the starch processing line. And this afternoon, which we will have another live in 4 hours later. And if you do not have any question right now, we will give you another live in 4 hours later. You can come back again and tell us about what is your question and what do you want to get from us. IWMYIIS. Welcome to the live. Currently, we are in the 17th Shanghai International Starch Processing Line. If you do need anything right now, please just put your question in the comments. Otherwise, that will be all for today's live. And 4 hours later, we will have another one to show you the every information. So if you do need anything right now, put your question in the comment. Or if you didn't, that will be all for welcome Yanni, welcome Aman, Safari, welcome to the live. If there's no further question, that will be all for today's live. And if you do have any questions right now, please just let me know what you want to get from us so that we can give you a better explanation for the every single equipment in the potato, cassava, and starch, sweet potato processing line. Alright, that will be all for today's live. Wish you guys can have a really wonderful Monday, and I will see you guys in the 4 hours later, alright? See you guys next time. See you guys 4 hours later. Bye bye.